សូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel PS Cheese Knowledge ទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងមេរៀនរបស់យើងថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងតអំពីវីដេអូមុនដែលទៅជុំនឹង Adjective Clause អញ្ចឹងវីដេអូមុនគឺយើងដល់ចំណុចលេខ5រមាំងទី5អញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងចូលរមាំងទី6អូខេអញ្ចឹងរមាំងទី6គឺតេតងជាមួយនឹង using adjective clauses to modify pronouns using adjective clauses to modify pronouns អញ្ចឹងចំណុចទី6នេះគឺគេនិយាយតេតងជាមួយនឹងការប្រើ adjective clause ដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យសព្វនាម modify pronoun អញ្ចឹងបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យសព្វនាមយ៉ាងម៉េចដូចជាឧទាហរណ៍គេអញ្ចឹង there is someone I want to meet there is someone I want to meet ជាមួយណាគឺជាសព្វនាមគឺ someone ហើយ adjective clause គឺចាប់ពី I want to meet ទៅគឺជា adjective clause ជាកន្លែងនេះគឺគេsorry យ៉ាងកន្លែងនេះមាន that there is someone that I want to meet អញ្ចឹងចាប់ពី that I want to meet គឺជា adjective clause ដែលវា modify ទៅលើ someone B. Anybody that is lazy cannot achieve his ambitions. Anybody that is lazy cannot achieve his ambitions. ជាង anybody គឺជា pronoun that is lazy គឺជា adjective clause អញ្ចឹងវាបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យ someone ណាមួយដែលខ្ជិលមិនអាចសម្រេចមហិច្ឆតារបស់គាត់បាននោះទេយើង anybody let's see anything that is produced in Japan is of high quality anything that is produced in Japan is of high quality ចឹងអាកន្លែងចំណុចកំហុសនោះគឺសុទ្ធតែជា pronoun adjective clause modify ឲ្យ The scholarship are available for those who need financial assistance. Scholarship are available for those who need financial assistance. Sandra was the only one I knew at the party. Sandra was the only one I knew at the party. The only one which is happening there. Everything he said was true. Everything he said was true. Everything which is happening. He who loves best. He who loves best. យើងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺសុទ្ធតែជាសព្វនាមដែល adjective clause modify យើងប្រើ adjective clause ដើម្បី modify ទៅលើវាអញ្ចឹងតើតើជាមួយនឹង using adjective clause to modify pronoun អញ្ចឹងចំណុចរមាំងទី5គឺតើតើadjective clause ដែលប្រើដើម្បី modify ទៅលើសព្វនាម Okay, note if there is a superlative or only any and every before an antecedent and an indefinite pronoun as an antecedent, that is a preferred to which and who the indefinite pronouns are. Note if there is a superlative or only any and every before an antecedent and an indefinite pronoun as an antecedent that is a preferred to which and who the infinite pronouns are អញ្ចឹងគាត់ចំណាំមកកន្លែងនេះអញ្ចឹងគេនិយាយថានៅពេលណាមាន superlative or only any and every នៅពីមុខ antecedent ហើយនឹង indefinite pronoun ជា antecedent អញ្ចឹង that គឺគេប្រើ cứ cái vào that ជាង which ហើយនឹង who ចឹងគឺយើងគេប្រើ that ច្រើនជាងប្រើ which ហើយនឹង who បើសិនបើមានប្រភេទ all only any every someone ស្អីហ្នឹងគឺយើងប្រើ that ជាងពួក which ហើយនឹង who indefinite pronoun some someone somebody something anyone anybody anything no one nobody nothing everyone everybody everything ចឹងទាំងអស់នេះគឺសុទ្ធតែជា indefinite pronoun ចឹងមួយណាដែលជា antecedent antecedent គឺជានាមដែលនៅពីមុខ adjective clause គេហៅថា antecedent Okay, example, all that she wants is the truth. All that she wants is the truth. When I to pronounce the all, just all is cái gì ta an antecedent. You can name the adjective clause modified antecedent. That she wants adjective clause. Now, main clause all is the truth. That she wants is subordinate clause. Chúng combine từ mỗi sentence và adjective clause. Just that is about that. Number two, the only thing that will help you is rest. The only thing that it will help you is rest. The only thing. Just about that bạn. Just picture thì kịp about that. Number three, give me something that will take away the pain. Give me something that will take away the pain. Just give me something. Just something cứ chứa indefinite pronoun that will take away the pain. Cứ chứa adjective clause. Number four. He is good at any sport that is played with a ball. He is good at any sport that is played with a ball. He is good at any sport that is played with a ball. Number four, we agree with every word that you have just said. We agree with every word that you have just said. We agree with every word that you have just said. Just every cứ chia normal be every just cứ about that. Number six, he has had the most lucrative. He has had the most lucrative business that has been in operation since 2000. He has had the most lucrative business that has been in operation since 2000. Chẳng này cứ chỉ ưu tố hóa tại tôi chỉ muốn bị the only thing or every ở nắng trước bao miền bị thì ở nắng cứ dùng bị chẳng cứ dùng vào that clause number 7 modify the lơ bị ở nắng. Okay, with it, that is also preferred after it is. That is also preferred after it is. Chẳng that tổng đá cứ cho chật vào nơi because it is. Chẳng vì thì chẳng cứ vào nơi because cái song clear it is. Example, it is a film that will be very popular. It is a film that will be very popular. Chẳng it is a film. Chẳng cứ thì chẳng cứ dùng vào that nơi because clear bạn đi. It was a fight that has made the most money It was a file that has made the most money. It is a serious problem that the government needs to address there and then. It is a serious problem that the government needs to address there and then. It is a serious problem that the government needs to address there and then. Remember, emphatic structure. It is, it was. Riêng khi ở dương trình nắm tiếp tục vớiសំណងប្រយោគដែលសង្កត់នៃវិជ្ជនៃ it is and it was. Riêng A use a subject pronoun. Use a subject pronoun. ទីមួយគឺប្រើជាមួយនឹង subject pronoun. Example, it is he who is responsible for the budget's planning. It is he who is responsible for the budget planning. Riêng he, it is he. នឹងចំណុចអក្សរ A គឺយើងប្រើ subject pronoun បែបហ្នឹង Number 2, it was she who was looking for the police. It was she who was looking for the police. ចឹង she គឺជា subject pronoun យើងគឺប្រើជាមួយ it was. It number 3, it is we who work for your father. It is we who work for your father. It was they who first made the protect against rampant corruption. It was they who first made the protest against rampant corruption. Riêng theyគឺជា subject pronoun. It was he who started the fight with her. It was he who started the fight with her. យើងចំណុចកន្លែងនេះគេឲ្យយើងចំណាំទៅជាមួយនឹង emphatic structure. It is and it was. យើងចំណុចអក្សរ A គឺយើងប្រើ subject pronoun បែបនេះ យើង he she we they he ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺសុទ្ធតែជា subject pronoun. Letter B, use object pronouns ម្ដងយើងប្រើជាលក្ខណៈ object pronoun ម្ដងចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ it is me whom they want to meet. It is me whom they want to meet. ចឹង me គឺជា object pronoun. ចឹង whom ក៏យើងកលេចឃើញ whom យើងដឹងថា whom គឺយើងប្រើជាការមក it is me whom they want to meet. It was her whom the police were looking for. It was her whom the police were looking for. It is us whom your father has employed. It is us whom your father has employed. It was them whom the prosecutor had accused of corruption. It was them whom the prosecutor had accused of corruption. It was him whom she started the fight with. It was him whom she started the fight with. ចឹងកន្លែងនេះចំណុចអក្សរ B គឺតើតងជាមួយនឹងការប្រើ object pronoun វិញចំណុចអក្សរ A គឺយើងប្រើ subject pronoun អញ្ចឹង me her them him ហ្នឹងគឺសុទ្ធតែជា object pronoun ប្រើជាមួយនឹង structure it is or it was. Okay អញ្ចឹងមេរៀនរបស់យើងគឺថ្ងៃនេះគឺមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងអាចយល់អាចប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយ Adjective Clause. អូខេអញ្ចឹងមុននឹងបញ្ចប់ខ្ញុំបាទសូមអធិស្ឋានកំហុសឆ្គងក្នុងការបកស្រាយយ៉ាងណាសូមអធិស្ឋានផងខ្ញុំយកតែកន្លែងដែល ចំណុចល្អធ្វើវីដេអូនេះ chừng số học quân